most delicate paper and fabric to the tough stuff like mat board, leather, and basswood or basswood.
So I guess like you could make, like if you were a wedding planner.
Oh. I always thought I should be more artsy, but I'm not.
No,
Can you?
but
I have creative ideas, but I never, like if you have a problem, I can think of a creative way to fix it, but I'm not like, and of course cooking, I can be, you want to do both, William?
Yeah.
Double barrel, huh?
Double barrel.
do you want me to hold this for you?
Yeah, hold it. Yes.
All right. Maybe we can do a comparison.
I know.
The Honeywell is digital with the digital display.
Yeah. Oh, this one's only $203.99, and then it'll be a percentage off of that.
Double barrel.
That's what we used to call it when you had two things working at the same time.
Making sure we do like a noise test.
They both sound like they buzz on the same frequency.
You know why? Because of the compressor.
Yeah.
Compressors has a lot of vibration
I bet
and
they have
buzz.
very similar compressors. One's a Frigidaire, and what's the other one?
Honeywell.
Honeywell.
Yep.
Oh, you know what that does? Tell her what that does down there.
That stuff, it collects all that water. So once the water is full, then the dehumidifier stops. It's got a switch. Once you empty it out, then the dehumidifier turns back on automatically. There's a switch around here.
Okay. So like once this fills up, like it lets you know, and then you just need to empty it.
Yeah, and the bucket full light will eliminate. So you know,
Illuminate.
will light up. That's the handle. Yep.
This one's got a handle.
Yep, that too.
But they're comparable.
They do have similar features. The white one with the white top has more buttons.
Yeah.
That doesn't necessarily make it better.
So, Mommy and Miss Ninky, what are your favorite dehumidifiers?
Well, I guess, I don't know. I like them both.
You know, I like that this is an Energy Star,
Oh, yeah. That is nice.
but it looks like that one is too, even though that.
Is that the serial number of it, Mommy?
Let's check this out.
That's the manual, yep.
For the Honeywell,
That's the Honeywell, yep.
it shows you all the different parts.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a cord winder. That's nice. So nobody trips over the cord.
Yeah.
Power control. Oh, okay. It has an auto drain pump mode. So I guess you can set it to drain the water on its own. That's neat.
It's really neat.
Oh.
They both sound really similar, you know that?
They do both sound really similar.
Yep.
Look, somebody looked at the Hamilton Beach deep fryer too.
Yeah.
That's a nice deep fryer.
Yeah, must be a different thing in that. I don't think this cuts. I think this is a press.
Oh, okay. I was wondering.
'Cause look.
Yes. So it's more like stuff.
Yeah. Probably like iron-on stuff, or like Aunt Tori makes you those T-shirts. Have you ever seen his T-shirt that says "Ask me about my washing machine"? It's got a big picture of a washing machine on it. It used to have glitter, like a glitter washing machine. I'll have to show you one time. He was a washing machine for Halloween,
That's so clever.
and a washer. And then another year he was a CD player.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So next year maybe you can be
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Like that?
That would be cool.
We didn't go trick-or-treating last year, but the year before that he was a lifeguard. He also loves lifeguards. Yes. They made him an honorary lifeguard at the water park. He got a little T-shirt that says Junior Lifeguard on the back, and they all signed it.
That's so neat.
I know.
Are you learning about it?
I am.
Miss Nikki is learning about it.
Oh.
That's
That I think that they're both really nice.
yeah. They sound really similar, isn't it?
It's getting chilly over here.
I know.
I think the Honeywell has the built-in water drain so that you can use it on the auto drain setting if you don't feel like manually taking the water.
So where does it drain to?
It's supposed to have a little
Oh, there it is. Look. At the very back, all that water gets into this. See? And right over there, these are the filters.
Drain or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
so then you can use water drain to just to activate the wires in the water drain. So I
Right.
guess, yeah.
So you could like move it next to a drain in the floor if you have like an industrial kitchen or something. Oh,
That's really cool.
that is really cool. Yeah. Well, they have one of these at our gym, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes if we're there at the end of the night, the nice lady that works there lets you empty them for her, right?
Yeah.
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 You make friends wherever you go, don't you?
That's why I know how everything works, how the dehumidifier works.
Is that just another one?
So I guess
Yep.
guessing
Wow.
that one.
It's the same one.
Okay. Yeah, they are. I know. I mean, we have no need for one.
Yep.
Is that a cold pack?
I'm not sure.
Looks like that same stuff that's in cold packs.
It does. That's why I was kind of like, what? They just have.
I know. You want me to take a picture of you by your two dehumidifiers?
Yeah.
All right, we'll stand over there. I'll take your picture. Get closer to them. All right.
like them.
They look like they have basically
Oh,
the same
I
thing.
think the manual is located on the I think it's located in here somewhere. Well, let's see. Where's the manual for it? I think there's. Nope, I guess not. Me?
They work really well.
All right, William J. I think it's about time to start putting them back, okay?
Yeah?
All right,
Yeah?
you can power them down. Ooh, you did it at the same time.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, this is the Honeywell,
Yep.
And this is
and this
Frigidaire.
is the Honeywell also.
That's super cool, mommy.
Yeah.
All right, let me disconnect both of these. Yep. That's super cool, isn't it?
that is very cool. Oh, look at you using the handle.
We got it. There we go. Wow. That's super cool, isn't it? Double barrel. They work really perfect. Well, that's our dehumidifier comparison. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a good day. Here's Mommy and Miss Nikki. Say hey.
Hey.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye,